Hi, this is a short demo showcasing Harmony ITSM platform. I will simply sign into the platform to show what capabilities are provided within Harmony. So let's sign into the platform. This is done by SSO with Google Workspace in our case. Essentially, Harmony is a single platform that consolidates all the needs of IT service management in enterprises, starting with service desk ticket management, asset management, and software management, and essentially viewing all in one the connectivity and relationship between employees, their devices, their softwares, and their tickets and help desk requirements. The system is relying on integrations with different third-party providers, which are very common and popular in any organization, from identity providers like Google Workspace, Okta, Microsoft Entra ID, and so on, knowledge bases like Notion, Confluence, and so on, HR systems like HiBob, Bamboo HR, Sage, Workday, and the like, messaging and communications like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and many other common use cases like mobile device management systems like Kanji, JabCloud, Jav, and so on. By doing these integrations with all of different ecosystem of any enterprise, we are able to collect information about the users and employees in the organizations, both from the identity providers and the HR system. We can learn who they are, what is their email, what organization they are in. Is it an employee of the organization or a contractor? Where did we learn that employee from? What is the location in the world of that employee, and so on. With that, we also associate what we can learn about associated assets like the employee's laptop, the employee mobile device, and so on, and what software applications this employee has access to. This is done either by learning it from the identity providers, because we can fetch what applications users has access to, or we can also fetch the login history of users to different devices, and by that learn and present what applications are being used by any employee. We collect all of the software, how many users are assigned to it from different sources like Google Workspace, Jav, JabCloud, and the like. We also allow customers to approve them, to ignore them, to add license information and procurement information, to manage everything in a single place, from licenses to users. And also, this is available for some of our preliminary customers already. You can also decide to assign an application to a user. This is done via an API call to the identity provider, which assigns that user to the relevant group of the IDP, which allows that group access to Figma, for example. So I can choose an employee, assign it, and then directly we perform an API call to the identity provider, for example, Google IDP, and by that, the user automatically gets access to any application. With that, we learn the assets from mobile device management, network scanning, which model, which vendor, where is it located in the world, what is the last time it was seen in the network, and so on. And essentially, we provide a ticketing system where employees can report a ticket, an IT agent can see that ticket, assign it to itself, access it, chat with the employee to understand the issue, and so on. Last but not least, we have our AI agent, either via the Slack or Teams, or in our self-serve portal, where users can essentially ask questions our AI agent can answer, or make some requests for actions that our AI agent can either perform or escalate to a human with all of the information required. For example, I can simply ask, what is the Wi-Fi password? So by accessing the knowledge base of the organization, the AI agent can answer such questions and the like, or escalate it to a human by opening a ticket. That could also be so a ticket is created and then the agent tries to resolve it. and a response was not found in the knowledge base, which is common if there is no knowledge base article for that use case, and therefore a ticket is escalated to a human. Essentially, we want to be able to provide soon the ability to request access in a free text. I need access to Figma, please. And our AI agent will be able to complete that action end to end by understanding the user request, send an approval request to the owner of this application or the manager of the employee, and essentially provide an action call to the API of Google IDP and assign this user to the group, which allows it to get access to Figma. That's it. This is Harmony. We have many more capabilities to publish and provide in the platform, but this showcases most of the main values we provide today. Thank you.